Yes, you know, just to tell you that I appreciate your support, and I hope on Saturday you will go and get it done for us. Absolutely. You're most welcome. Fantastic. Amen. Amen. I believe so too. Thank you very much, Bismarck. Keep up the fire, burning, okay? Let's get it done on Saturday. Get there early and vote. Okay. All right. Amen. Thank you so much. Okay. You're most welcome. Take care. All right. Okay. Bye-bye.
My friend, my worry is that politician to me daje or beto about there when daje your course. Debi owini we no
We say we are
na frame na bisa say what to say. Wo be beto about my there utimi nya time ko trampo ai phone boot. We phone boot o. Tete no phone boot na ma fa no hello. Say twa na fra no anamboa tie.
Mo kwa na video for ni twa here.
Hello. Good afternoon. Yes, Bismarck. How are you? I decided to surprise you with a call today. This is Dr. Bawumia calling. So I want to ask you to support me on Saturday. Yeah. Yes. So I hope I can count on your support. Thank you. You know, so I really appreciate it. God bless you. So make sure you get there early and let us make. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. All right. It's good. Very good.
It is possible.
No doubt. No doubt.
Inshallah.
Yes.
It is happening.
Yes. Wonderful.
It's not just possible, it is happening. Say it to me. Oh my God.
Hello. Francis, how are you? This is Dr. Bawumia calling. Yes, it's me. I wanted to surprise you today. Yes. You know, so yeah, that's right. It's me. So basically, we are heading to the vote on Saturday, and I just wanted to call and encourage you that we should get there and get it done. I want to count on your support on Saturday. Okay? I'm not taking it for granted. So I'm calling you to ask you to get there and vote on Saturday. Okay? Yes. Amen. 100%. I love that. Well done. You want me to talk to your friend? Okay. Okay, put your friend there. Otherwise, he won't believe you if you say I called. What's his name? He's okay. Hello. Nah, Tidabai.
Nah.
Alhamdulillah, Tupana. So the one Angela delegates. So the one Pamama Saturday Kabutin to my home. I'm poor Pam Kapai. Now no Abarcano. So thank you so much. Later I will be okay. All right. Thank you very much. All right. Bye bye. Thank you very, very much. Amen, President. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right. Bye.
Is it Debbie Ghana for clear with this thing? Me opposition, you know what this Bawumia's approach. In campaign strategy, one of the powerful tools. Find direct contacts. Say Nipane Town was saying JB Obitman Sanadrin.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
With this course.
Yeah, sure.
Because in your entire life you will not dream of a be a happen.
Probably
yes. Na no afafo afra
yeah.
No matter which book of far paper now peja he will come to your mind. That thing will be a memory. But the question is, the politicians nya adaje eyewe nyina, and they don't even after election power choose to visit the people to find out what to say. Who
Ofi Basa there all can also wire campaign we are direct contact. But we are wanting to call for selective people and a war from and yeah almost the entire people we delegate for me and Sabine our from. But he's a father for all those delegates of one to Abamani and some one to Amani no.
Who have visited the constituency.
Yes.
We are not asking you for phone friend.
That is what they
but
are
more
lacking.
bonded with the constituency. More constituency for what to say. At least once a year, go down to the Mobile Asante regional office.
That is what
my
they are
baby
lacking.
I want to me constituency for what to say. Now we track at about Obia did Yame, Obia, oh, Nanani, Nipana was Salungulungu ono. What baby? Upon who will be a BM. The other man or more, the other man or more cry, the attitude ready.
The other man was for an okay.
I
will be a year and your moves or some way somehow.
Oh, I know, say they are so busy.
Yes, but we can equally blame them because and it's more constituency executives, or more regional executives, or more executives, or more represent or more their various constituencies. But the reality is that, as usual, politicians. Omwaya magana for ina who say e na da bi no mo da Ghana for. Omo the Ghana for num adwe e diagro because they are in a privileged position in team. Omo take advantage of the ordinary Ghanaian. It will be where why everybody say eno to me record here. No the Bible watch the Ghana for say
oh cameras is your reporters will be an
if it is any politics near ya and nanka also or ye genuinely say bia or ye just not to create any unnecessary attention
oh na so your politics just what me mo bia politics dey enye nko heaven that's why you mo bia politics dey enye kan ya yemfansi kan aduase ye di sisoro ma ne hire mo bia so
you see
a part of campaign strategy now. Campaign team for now set it up. Say, Bema, come and engage the people. I think it's a plus and a very good plus. For campaign approach, a very powerful tool.
They've done well.
Very, very powerful.
But the reality is that just for the cameras.
But Jebi, my yama yeti fuska